We are builders. We are crafters. We are fighters. We are Hill Shire.
How to make haggis.
So I'm in the process of making haggis, a traditional Scottish dinner. I'm making Americanized because I don't have access to guts. It's really hard to get guts from a sheep. This is my fat. This is my fat. Fat. This is a steel cut oat, so it's gonna go in the haggis. I have minced up the garlic and placed it in the pan. Put a little oil in there to keep it nice. Currently chopping up the onion. When I'm done chopping this up, it's gonna go in the same pan, and then I'm going to cook and brown it for a bit. I have here hamburger, it's ground beef, and I got the pork, and I will get to that later. Right now I'm dealing with this shit right here. When you put the onion and the garlic together, you gotta throw some fat in there before you cook it up.